but the game is called Wrong Answers Only. I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed. Tamir says, I really like your videos. Thank you for that, Tamir. Appreciate that. A lot of work goes into this content. This content doesn't make itself. Let me tell you. A lot of work happening over here. Okay, if you guys remember from last time we played this, we had a food theme going on. Everybody submitted a food answer. So Deadlord is starting off with sandwiches, vegetables, and mayo. I like it. I like it. Joseph, continuing our food theme, sizzling veggie madness. Okay. Okay. All right, so last call for SVM. I'm seeing some strong entries. I'm seeing at least 2 entries that are good. We might have to have a vote on this, guys. Last call for SVM entries. Last call. All right, I'm thinking it's going to come down to 2, guys. Okay? Hamad, suddenly very mistaken. Okay, I like that one. I like that one. All right, it's going to come down to 2, guys. We're going to put this to a vote in the chat, okay? All right, so audience participation time. You can vote. First one is going to be Surprisingly Violent Manager. I really like that one. Strong entry. Surprisingly Violent Manager. And so give me a 1 for that in the chat, or give me a 2 for single virgin male. Single virgin males. All right, give me a 1 or a 2. 1 is Surprisingly Violent Manager, and 2 is single virgin males. And actually, that could be the same person, right? Wouldn't a single virgin male also be a violent manager, right? Right? I think there's some correlation there, right? All right, the votes are coming in. We're tied so far. Okay, so virgin males takes the lead. All right, virgin males is up by 3. Any more votes? Last call for votes. It looks like single virgin males is going to take it. Last call. All right. Single virgin males it is. Nice. A good answer. Who was that? That was Casual Economist coming in strong for your first visit. You won the first round right off the bat. Coming in strong there, Casual Economist. Yay, I won, but at what cost? I don't think you won, Dogra. Sorry, dude. What was the other one? Okay, so Charles, welcome to this stream. But for anybody who is interested, yes, Charles is correct. It does stand for support vector machines. Okay, next one. This is a long one. And yes, Casual Economist, you won the last round. This round is MMMR. MMMR. A little bit harder when it's more letters, yeah? Oh, wow. That's a good one. Manager made me resign. Nice. Mayo, mustard, meatballs, and rice. Okay. Again with those food themes, guys. Mega macaroni marina rave. Okay. Okay. 4 letters makes it a little harder, guys. Nice. I like the tie back. May myself meet Rogan. Okay. I like the tie back. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Uh, monkeys making messy routines. Nice. Nice. I like that it all makes sense. It flows. Mix, mash, munch, regret. Nice. I like that one too. I like that one. Sounds like a lot of big family dinners. Melty mozzarella mushroom ravioli. Nice. That sounds delicious, actually. I love mushrooms. Mango made man richer. Okay. Sounds like a weird entry in an ancient history book, right? Anybody else? Last call for MMMR. MMMR is the last one. Is the latest one. Most millionaires make reels. Nice. Nice. I hope you're right about that. Last call for MMMR. Anybody else for MMMR? Lots of good ones. Casual Economist says, money made me run. Okay. Okay. All right. It looks like that's going to be the last of the entries. The 4 letters is harder, right? You know, I got to give this to, Rahul. I like the tie back to the Rogan conversation. Very creative. May myself meet Rogan. I get it. I love what you did there. So this round's winner is Rahul. I love that one.